Yo, everybody, it's your boy Doc White. Before you jump in and start wearing the perp, you gotta know how to do the perp dance, you know what I'm saying? When the game starts up, you're gonna be seeing icons moving across the screen. Each icon represents the dance move you need to be performing. Let's take it slow though. I want you to know how to do each dance move perfectly before you go out there and make a fool of yourself on the dance floor. The first move you need to know how to do is called the left swing. Just position the controller like I am and repeat after me. Here we go. Man, good job, dog. That was an easy one though. This next move's gonna be a lot more complicated, especially if you're not good with your directions. This next move is called the right swing. It's kinda like the left swing, but this time you're gonna have to move it to the right. Repeat after me. All right. Man, we're gonna have to turn this up a notch then, you dancing pro like that. This next move is definitely a little more tricky. It's called the forward swing. You're gonna stretch your arms out a little bit like you pointing at somebody. Check this out. Dang, look at you, bro. You busting them dance moves out like it ain't no thing. Alright, these last two dance moves are the bread and butter of the wear the perp dance. You got the shake and then you got the pour. So whenever you hear the song say, shake it up and pour it on you, you're gonna be shaking and pouring with these classic dance moves. Let's start with the shake. Watch and learn. Man, you looking kind of goofy with that one, but hey, it works. Alright, so for this final move, we're gonna do the pour. So just pretend that you got some soda or some type of drink in your hand, and we're gonna pour it on ourselves. Just like this. Check it out. Yeah, bro, that's it, man. That's bang. Alright, so I think you got it. I think it's showtime now. It's time we put all of these moves together in the game, and it's time for you to wear the perp. Are you ready for this? I know you are. Good luck. Alright, y'all. I see y'all with them crazy dances out there. The white boys with attitude got a new dance for y'all. It's time to wear the perp. And you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. You know you want to wear the perp, don't you? And you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. You know you want to wear the perp, don't you? Never felt like I was part of the crowd, always trapped in these walls, always alone. But sometimes all it takes is a roll of the dice. Let it loose, have the time of your life. Try things that you've never ever done before. You know you want to, never care for empty pop. Wait, yo, is that perp soda pop? Yeah, okay, time to rock this party, just like we wreck your mind. But man, we having a good time. Even when trash is my rhyme, heart still sees the shine. Still gonna make that money though. You know that we'll never stray too far from that money though. Just like Michael tell me you was wrong, but right now in this time, you was right. Now it's time to dance 1, 2, 3. Can you wear the perp with me? And you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. You know you want to wear the perp, don't you? And you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. You know you want to wear the perp, don't you?
Everybody wanna play around, many of them selling now, but we bringing something that's original. One exception might be this song, cause we got them all wrong, and we gotta get this on the radio, cause we gotta make that dough. So now we gotta get up and rock the dance floor. That's our mission, come on baby, try to maybe take a chance. Everybody out there get up, cause we showing you a dance. Yeah, cause you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. This was not made by design, because I got the waiter by my side, baby. Now you winning, you wanna fit in. You know that purple is in and you got to wear it through the fin to end. And Ice Cube ain't got nothing on me, because I'm crushed as y'all wearing purple for me. Thanks.
And you know you want to shake it up and pour it on you. You know you want to wear the perp, don't you? And you know you want to shake it up and pour it
shake it up, yeah. Now shake it up, now pour it on you, now pour it on you, now pour it on you, yeah. That's all y'all do to wear the perp dance, y'all. Yeah, you got that.
What's up, everybody? Man, it's your boy Doc White. I just want to let you all know that our new album, The Pursuit of Money, is now available. You can buy the album by pressing the button below on your screen. The record is one of the most banging hip-hop albums ever produced. I promise y'all that. I know y'all think I'm joking about that. If you think I'm lying, check out our song, Big Single. You can watch the music video for that by pressing the button below. And y'all will see why White Boyz Wit Attitude, the best rappers alive. I will repeat that. We are the best rappers alive. We know that. Now it's time to let the world know that. And we let the world know that with y'all help. We need y'all bumping the album out in your neighborhood. We need y'all telling your friends about the White Boyz Wit Attitude. Only through y'all can we reach the level that we all know we deserve to be at. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all will help us out with that. Peace and love. Thanks for your support. And it's your boy Doc White. Peace out.
Hey, fellas, thanks for giving me a ride. I'm hungry for some donuts. Let's go to the police station. Hey, oh no! Looks like someone let out all the animals from the farm. Watch out, fellas, and don't hit Bessie.
Straight out of the farm, coming to you live from the NV in Mount Vernon, where the did be running free. The rappers reunited and rejuvenating hip-hop, trying something new. You know this shit don't stop, cause we the artists, telling all the rappers take the hype. We the hardest rappers ever to spit on the mic. The fans fill up the room so quick, ready to kick it. Hit them right next to me, so better click it a ticket. Yeah,
You just hit a box.
this is free admission, and ease in the back with purple clicking on the lights.
Well, there goes another deer.
And before I gotta wait 6 hours to get back on flight.
Bessie!
Passing out them donuts, ate a bomb. And so is the show, so everybody sing along. Everybody knows me, you all know who we be. It's the WWA, and we back to the streets.
Hey, these wannabe rappers think they're hot. Take them out.
Yeah, that's right. They know how we do.
That's right. Sorry now.
You know it's getting hot. Use the one next door. Get moving on the floor. Was at a show in town, maybe 5 or 10 the week. The body coming all over to the farm. Have a donut, girl. Ain't no harm. Look up, man. We like to smile. Ain't no denying. We on top of the world. Heard y'all was psyched just cause you thought we wouldn't fight. Hey, now you know we're never gonna fly. We gonna
Somebody
shoot
better
to
call
the top.
Peter.
The WWA, yeah, we proud to be from the burn. Them haters coming in, bout to get burned. Mother trucker left y'all speechless. We a genius, since we was feeders.
Anybody want roadkill for dinner?
We the WWA, we here to stay. Get ready, mother trucker. Mother. What's our name? Yeah. What up? Yeah. Alright, girl. Guess we can do that. For sure.
Oh no, Kiki doesn't love you.
Yeah, that's how we do up in here, man.
Yo, what a show we just put on, man.
No doubt, man, we killed that, man. Yeah, we still at the top of our game.
That's right, man. We still got it, yo.
Show, man. Show.
We still got it.
Hey, fellas, thanks again for giving me a ride. You just saved the day. Now make sure you head back and get those animals back to your farm. I'll just be here eating donuts.
Yo, finally, believe it, man.
We rich!
Back to the top, Doc, white crushed ice. You roll up to the club, put some Drake on that ice, cause I prefer that purple. Now anybody want some, get up, cause it's all free drinks on me. Better put on that song for me. Everybody drunk, when your body get crunk. You know white boys like to party. Yeah, now that we got dinero, we gonna set it off with another single. Hey yo, no we didn't, so yeah yo, we just hit with a really big single. Everybody wants to know how we came with all this dough. We staged a kidnapping, now we've got monies in the bank.
It's all real. We poppin' drinks off in the club, you know the deal. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. We taking girls out on expensive meals. Cause we got monies in the bank for real.
It's all real. It's all real. Yeah, we gotta give thanks to the officer. He made us real big with his instrumental. Gonna keep moving, we'll rock all y'all like we did to that French 1 cent. We'll rock it, keep it poppin' while our wallets in our pockets all gets rollin'. Cause we rollin' with this dough and all these homies. It's all real. We've got the monies in the bank for real. And now it's six-pack, man, rest in peace. You know it's a steal. We've got them donuts and Coronas. Ain't no posers, where the hoes at? You know we'll jam all night.
It's all real. We poppin' drinks off in the club, you know the deal. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. We taking girls out on expensive meals. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. For real, man. We in the Forbes, cause six-pack opened all our doors. The cameras are flashing bright. They just wanna take a picture of the best rappers alive. Cause we own all of the club, the town, the charts. This world belongs to us. We get all of the ladies that we want as long as we say we got the money. Do you think this is funny? Tell it to one of our many honeys. It's all real. We poppin' drinks off in the club, you know the deal. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. We taking girls out on expensive meals. Cause we got monies in the bank. We'll buy out your house, rent it to 1 cent. They're gonna be a slob and there for you to rent. Everybody knows our name, we're only at the top when it comes to fame. Whoa, it seems like we've been here before, but this time we are for real. Money's in the bank, it's a done deal. I have way too many greens in my wallet to feel. Cause they call me Dr. White and I'll never win in a fight. But why does that matter when my wallet is hella tight with greens that you'll never ever have? It's all real. We poppin' drinks off in the club, you know the deal. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. We taking girls out on expensive meals. Cause we got monies in the bank. It's all real. We poppin' drinks off in the club, you know the deal. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. We taking girls out on expensive meals. Cause we got monies in the bank for real. What's up, everybody? Man, it's your boy Doc White. I just want to let you all know that our new album, The Pursuit of Money, is now available. You can buy the album by pressing the button below on your screen. The record is one of the most banging hip-hop albums ever produced, I promise you.